Have you ever seen a team where some members are absolutely swamped, juggling multiple projects, while others seem to have a much lighter load? This uneven distribution can lead to frustration, burnout, and a drop in overall team productivity. The most effective methods to improve team workload balance center on transparency, intentional allocation, and continuous communication. These practices help ensure that work is distributed fairly and efficiently, leveraging each team member's unique contributions. At its core, balancing workload is about optimizing team potential and preventing individual overload. When team members feel their workload is manageable and equitable, they are more engaged, creative, and less prone to stress or fatigue. This creates a virtuous cycle where productivity rises and morale stays high. So how do we put this into practice? First, embrace radical transparency in task management. This means using a shared project management tool, like Asana or Trello, where all tasks, deadlines, and current assignments are clearly visible to everyone on the team. When everyone can see who is working on what, and the status of each project, it becomes much easier to identify potential bottlenecks or underutilized capacity. Second, practice skill-based and capacity-aware allocation. Instead of simply assigning the next available task, take a moment to consider each team member's strengths, development goals, and current bandwidth. A quick 10-minute conversation can often reveal that one person is excited to take on a challenging new task that aligns with their skills, while another needs a lighter load that day. Understanding individual capacities is crucial for sustainable productivity. Third, establish a rhythm of regular check-ins and feedback loops. Daily stand-up meetings, even brief ones, or weekly team syncs provide an invaluable opportunity to discuss progress, surface challenges, and proactively redistribute tasks if needed. Encourage team members to openly communicate if they feel overwhelmed or if they have capacity to help a colleague. Creating a safe space for this conversation is paramount. Fourth, implement cross-training initiatives. When multiple team members are proficient in similar tasks, it provides crucial flexibility. If one person is unexpectedly out or overwhelmed, others can step in seamlessly, preventing disruption and maintaining balance. This also helps grow individual skills and reduces single points of failure. Finally, foster a culture of proactive prioritization. Help your team understand the big picture and differentiate between urgent and important tasks. When priorities shift, which they inevitably will, guide the team in reevaluating and adjusting workloads rather than simply adding more to already full plates. Beyond these methods, consider incorporating advanced planning tools like a workload management matrix or a RACI chart. A workload management matrix allows managers to visualize capacity versus demand for each team member, making data-driven allocation decisions. A RACI chart, which stands for responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed, clearly defines roles and responsibilities for specific tasks or decisions. These structured frameworks not only distribute work more evenly but also enhance clarity and accountability, reducing misunderstandings about who owns what. They are fantastic ways to professionalize your team's operational flow. By consistently applying these methods of transparent task management, thoughtful allocation, and open communication, your team will build a foundation of fairness and support. The result is a more resilient, less stressed, and ultimately, a more productive team environment where everyone feels valued and effectively contributing to shared goals. This proactive approach transforms potential friction points into opportunities for growth and collaborative success.